What is going on, YouTube? Today I have received my carbon fiber GTS hood, and this thing looks really good. I ordered this off Alibaba. So far looks like there's no imperfections in the carbon fiber or anything. This needs a little bit of cleaning, but so far looks really good. And here's my original one. This is just the OEM look, so that's why I got the new one. But we got to get this one off and install the new one. All right, got the hood on top, kind of. Now I just gotta fix the alignment and then screw everything in. All right, guys, I got the hood installed. Just a couple things. I had to remove the old air duct from here and then cut off a couple notches, 1, 2, and 3, just so this vent thing can close. But now I have an issue where this is making contact with the hood right here and it won't close properly. Let me show you. So this side goes down obviously like it should, but this side won't. There's a fat gap because it's hitting that cooling expansion tank lid, and honestly I don't know what to do to make it fit. It's literally hitting like right on this edge here, and I'm not sure why they even made that there, but I'll try figuring it out. I am bolted the cooling expansion tank, kind of moved out of the way, but now there's these ugly giant gaps on the sides. This side it's all right, and honestly this side can go even, actually this side's pretty good, but this side is horrible. So I gotta think of what to do, and it doesn't work with the OEM one either. All right, guys, so basically this is how it's gonna look. Kind of jammed in the other thing. Film is whack, but I mean, I got the new logo on. It doesn't look bad. I guess from far away it looks good. Way better than the OEM hood. I actually really like this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.